Welcome to this deep dive. Today we're tackling a topic that's really shifting gears, isn't it?
Yeah.
Moving from just an idea to, well, an absolute necessity. The circular economy.
hmm
You've sent us some really fascinating sources. They all highlight, these urgent environmental challenges and the growing pressure on our natural resources.
They really do.
So our mission here is to explore how technology isn't just helping, but is maybe the key driver making industries smarter,
Yeah.
greener, and much more resilient,
hmm
especially in sectors like furniture and wood.
Yeah, and what's really insightful, I think, from these sources is how they stress technology's foundational role. It's almost revolutionary.
Revolutionary.
Well, yeah, it's not just about making small improvements here and there. It's talking about a complete shift,
Yeah.
using innovation to build a truly circular system, really from the ground up.
Okay, right. Let's unpack this a bit. Our sources say technology modernizes business processes, reduces environmental impact, and supports more sustainable and innovative practices. But for you, someone who's deep in this, what are some concrete examples? What are these enabling technologies actually doing to build circularity in, say, the furniture sector?
That's a great question because, yeah, it takes it out of the abstract, doesn't it?
Exactly.
So when we talk enabling technologies, think about things like IoT sensors. You could embed them right into furniture to track its use, its condition,
Okay.
or AI algorithms that optimize every single cut of wood to really minimize waste. We're also seeing things like blockchain being used for transparency.
Ah, blockchain, right.
Yeah, to track materials transparently, maybe from the forest or even from a reclamation yard all the way to, your living room. These aren't just separate tools. They work together. They optimize processes. They support better decision making. And yeah, they drastically cut the environmental impact across the entire product life cycle.
Throughout the entire life cycle. That phrase really stands out. So technology is modernizing everything. Okay.
Yeah.
But how does it move beyond just, say, efficiency to really enable circularity across that whole journey? From design, like you said, right through to end of life.
Right.
What hurdles does tech help overcome there?
Exactly. And the sources really highlight this, that the benefits stretch from design and production to distribution and end of life.
Right.
So take design. Historically, furniture just wasn't made to be taken apart easily, was it?
No, definitely not.
But now, with things like advanced CAD, simulation software, designers can actually create products that are, inherently modular, easy to repair, easy to recycle.
I see.
Then in production, you've got robotics making manufacturing precise, cutting waste. Digital twins allow for real-time monitoring of resource use.
Okay.
For distribution, smart logistics can optimize delivery routes, sure, but also crucially, they can handle reverse logistics, getting products back for returns or repairs.
Right. The return journey.
And then for end of life, which is critical. Imagine an old chair with, say, a digital product passport.
A digital passport.
Yeah, maybe a QR code you can scan, and it instantly tells you its materials, where they came from, and the best way to recycle or even remanufacture it. Suddenly, what was waste becomes a valuable identified resource.
Wow, that's fascinating. It completely reframes how you think about just a physical object, doesn't it?
It does.
You asked earlier how understanding this whole cycle changes my view on everyday products. And hearing you describe these tech layers, well, it shifts things. You stop seeing an object as just static with one purpose. It becomes this dynamic collection of resources with a history, a traceable journey. Definitely makes me think twice about what I buy and how it might eventually re-enter that circular loop.
Exactly.
This whole approach, like our source says, is really building the path to circularity. So what's the biggest takeaway then for someone listening who wants to embrace these ideas in their own work, maybe their business?
I think the most crucial point, honestly, is that understanding and applying these foundational technologies allows professionals and businesses to take meaningful steps toward embracing circular economy principles.
So it's practical.
Very practical. It's not just theory, not just a feel-good thing. It's about actually using specific tools, digital, material science, automation, to identify materials, track them, and bring them back into the loop.
Oh.
It fundamentally changes business models from that old linear take, make, dispose to something cyclical.
Right.
It shows the future of industry isn't just about making things anymore, is it? It's about making things that can be made again.
This deep dive really does illustrate how technology isn't just for, small efficiency gains. It's a vital transformative tool for building a genuinely sustainable future, especially, like we said, in sectors like furniture and wood. turning waste into a resource.
Turning that line into a loop.
Exactly, a continuous loop.
And, it leaves us with a thought, doesn't it? As technology keeps evolving, and it's evolving so fast,
Yeah.
the very boundaries of what's even possible in circularity, they're going to expand too. So maybe think about how embracing these tech shifts might redefine what words like ownership or even waste actually mean in the industries that you care about. The resources are there. Now we really have the tools to keep them in play.